Hey guys, are you planning your trip? These are the 5 hacks which will save your time, money, and effort, and which can make your life much more enjoyable and stress free. So, let's go. The hack number one is like book your flight ticket in incognito mode. So, guys, have you ever noticed when you search mode, the price goes up? Guys, when because the airline searches your track, and the airline record your tracks when you search land on multiple time on a single website, the prices it will always increase your prices. Your prices will become increases automatically, and when you use incognito mode, then it will when you are landed on the first time, then it will automatically give you a discount for the best. So guys, always remember for the best deal and get discounted price, use incognito mode. So these are the first hack, and now we move to the second hack, which is roll your clothes instead of folding. So guys, whenever you are trying to planning a trip, whenever you are going in your any city, so always always roll your clothes instead of folding. So guys, because it require a lot of space in folding, and it will save a lot of space when you roll your clothes, and it will also make your journey stress free and more enjoyable as compared to the when you are folding. And when it will also the weight is too heavy in folding, and it is not heavy in case of rolling. These are the second hacks. Now the third hack is download Google Maps offline. So guys, you already have Google Maps. When all the people have Google Map in these days right now, and you know the how Google Map play an important role in our day-to-day life. When you are going to anywhere in India and apart from India and anywhere in the world, then Google Map plays a very important role, because when you go to a remote area where there is no internet, then how will you search and locate places? Then you will feel lost. But no problem, guys. The solution is available, which is offline Map, which will make your life much easier and stress free. So guys, always download Google Maps from the Play Store, which is offline available. You can check guys Maps Me. These are the few maps on which will available on the Play Store, where you can check and go through the site. Now the fourth hack is, guys, pack a power bank and multi-layer USB charger or USB cable. So guys, as you already know, whenever you are going in a railway station or airport, the charges plugins are always full. The people are always connected their own phone to charge, and there is no space to charge your own phone. Then you will that situation you will need power banks, which is very helpful in your journey whenever you are going in any trip, and which will also make your journey hassle free and more stressful, which you will not feel in your journey. Yeah, these are the four hacks, and the last hack is guys, always use the empty water bottle with yourself, and whenever you are trying to go anywhere in your trip, then always use the empty water bottle, because it can save your money. I guys still remember whenever I go to anywhere in traveling. Whenever I was traveling, I my money goes up to 200 to 300 in water bottle, in buying water bottle, because it is a basic requirement where we all need water bottle. Then that's why here the empty water bottle play an important role, because when we use empty water bottle, we can refill water bottle, and which will reduce our cost just one fourth of the time. If we go and buy new water bottle, which will cost around 20 rupees per liter, then when we use refill water bottle, then it will cost around 5 rupees per liter. It will also save your and money, and will also help you in make your journey more enjoyable and hassle free. So guys, always remember these use these apps, this which can make your journey enjoyable and hassle free and stress free. So guys, let me know in the comment section, guys, which app did you already know, and thanks for watching.